I have did a review on the Greenlight Chase Michelin Man Weekend Workshop, and today between the Golf and the STP, I shall continue to unbox the STP Weekend Workshop. This STP Weekend Workshop was released earlier than the Michelin Man, and their mold is totally identical, just like the Tomica Limited Vintage Tomicarama. It features functional garage door, diecast cabinet, and removable wall to expose the interior. From the exterior, the Weekend Workshop is very clean and very simple. I like the Michelin Man, which has the mascot on the garage door. The garage door is functional, and this is the angle I like best, where you can see the interior through the garage door. The interior is also very simple, which you can see Greenlight try to make some cracks and weathering on the floor, which doesn't turn out very well. But what I like is the generous amount of metallic green paint on the cabinets, which looks fantastic as a chase piece. It also comes with a removable brick wall for you to conceal the interior. Apart from this bare workshop, Greenlight also comes out with accessories and tools in STP theme, which I get the regular and not the chase to randomly add on to the garage. And the workshop pairs superb with the chase Ford F100 STP truck, such as angle like this, which will look very good in photography, including the rest of the green machine usual suspects, which will make this workshop comes alive. It also pairs very well with the Gas Monkey Garage D100 truck and many other castings for endless possibilities and configuration. Thanks everyone, bye!